for Allah, B for Bismillah, C for charity, D for dua, E for Eid, F for Fajr, G for Jibreel Islam, H for Hajj, I for Islam, J for Jazakallah, K for Kaaba Baitullah, L for La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. M for Masjid, N for Nuh alayhi salam, O for Uhud, P for Prophet, Q for Quran, R for Ramadan, S for Salah. Allahu Akbar.